guys, with the Bros here, and today we are back with another Minecraft Castaway episode.
We didn't set the timer. We didn't set the timer.
I don't care. Oh, but yeah, so we will be playing a Castaway. I think this is the last episode of the day. Then we'll be moving on to Bedrock Theater. Yeah, we were doing the last episode. We made an anvil. So yeah. Alright, what should we... Oh, yeah, I need to plant the melon seeds.
No, we need armor.
No idea.
We need armors.
Yeah, we do need armor. What? Oh, my stone is gone.
I need more carrots.
There we go. Okay. Wait,
I've been running for days, maybe decades. I don't know, I didn't bring a calendar. But I've been running, running for days. I've been running.
I do have bones.
We need iron picks.
I have an iron pick.
I don't. I've been running.
Dude, we have iron at home. I don't know why you're running away all the time.
I'm not running away.
Alright, you know what we should do this episode?
What? Yeah, you wanna know what we should do today?
Oh, we should get obsidian. We should get obsidian and make an enchantment table. Yeah, that maybe too. Where's the ravine's over here? So I'm gonna go.
Ravine has nothing. The ravine has nothing.
So yeah, I'm gonna go over here. Okay, let's see if I can land this. 1, 2, 3.
Don't make it, don't make it, don't make it. Fall in the lava, fall in the lava.
Okay, so I have it.
What if water and lava switched?
How does that not make...
Emeralds!
Okay.
I found a ravine and I don't have an iron pick.
Do you want me to TP?
Yeah, please. Please don't.
Wait, is that diamond?
Where?
You're in this ravine here.
Help! Help!
I'm TPing. Alright.
Gotta make this jump.
Where are the emeralds?
Right down here, right here.
That was a
Nailed it.
emerald.
Diamonds!
Diamonds?
Yep, diamonds. Wait, no. There's lava under it.
Lava?
Yes.
You're sure under... Oh, yeah, you would. Okay, let's see how many there are. Oh, dude, that's perfect because I need...
Saved us.
I need obsidian. Alright.
Saved us, dude. Did you see how I almost died?
Can you get rid of your water?
Yeah, but you have to get out first.
No, it's fine. I'm gonna get obsidian.
Oh, that's enough.
Mined diamonds with diamonds. You broke the lava block.
No, it did.
Do you have any torches?
Yeah, very good.
Okay. Oh, sweet. Hit it like into a lava. What would happen if you hit it in lava and it explodes?
Nothing.
Is that gold above your head?
Yeah.
What am I doing here?
Emeralds!
Seriously?
Diamonds!
Seriously?
I told you this ravine was long.
See, it says
no!
Teleport.
Oh no!
Boo!
I want the morph mod.
Get! Oh, they're fighting each other.
Okay, don't hit him.
Alright. I'm gonna get those diamonds wherever they were. Right here?
Yeah, right there.
Ah, no! These are my diamonds!
No one.
Ouch. Nope. Can't take
Both that one heart.
Yep. Nope, I'm dead.
I'm not.
Yeah, I died. I need a TP, I need to teleport.
Why that out?
Holy frick, Oh
no, why did I do this?
Darukin! Ah! She's almost in lava. Whoa! I saw creepy faces come in front of me. I was like, no! Tell me you're near those emeralds. Yeah, they're just up there.
No, I run!
It's okay. I fixed it.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah, come on.
Okay.
Yep. Okay. Everyone's good. Alright. Where are those emeralds?
Over here. They're up. They're right there. See above me and the skeleton I'm trying to kill.
Oh, yeah. Of course you can. I see.
Yeah. No. Yeah, no. Where's my bow? You're right about that.
Sorry.
Just do it. Just do it. Just blow me up, son.
Boo! Teleport back to me because I have your bow.
No, dude, I'm good. Wait. Not yet.
Frick, dude, there's a skeleton. Ready to go. Oh!
Oh, 2 skeletons!
The same
and a
for me.
creeper!
The same for me. Except the creeper part. Yeah, I'm pretty much dead.
Brother, why shall you attack me?
No! It's a death.
My
episode.
iron sword's almost broken.
One, two. Tell me you know the way back.
Yeah, killing myself. No!
No!
Oh, I actually did not want to try and kill myself there. I did not know there was a pit of lava, seriously.
Okay. Trying to find my way back here. Oop, oop. I think I did. Not.
What is wrong with my dog? Is that gonna make a doggy attack? Doggy heart attack?
Boom! You know what sucks?
Dog attack.
Usually we're just like sitting here with this iron armor, and now we're just wandering about this place with like no armor. Frick. Oh, he didn't blow up the bridge, okay. Well, guess what?
What?
Cool. And, it's on my way. Somewhere. Don't worry, bro, I'm coming.
Oh, thank you!
Why am I not teleporting?
Watch out. What are those up there? No! We found something so good! No! There's like... Teleport to me! Teleport to me!
That still works.
Yeah.
Oh, it was diamonds.
Oh, yeah.
No, but that's the edge of the world.
No!
No!
No! Come on, game. Can't do that.
I'm sorry. Ow, what the?
I'm sorry!
Ow!
No, Whoopi said no! William!
Ow!
Don't kill my dog next time. You killed the girl, so... Ah, no!
Wait, Boo! I found out the only way we can get these diamonds over here. TNT.
Oh. You mean creeper?
That too.
Oh, no. Creeper! We're here!
Oh, over here!
Over here! Oh, he's listening. Buddy!
Follow us.
Over here! Oh,
Block it so he doesn't fall in. Come on, Creeper.
Creeper!
Come on, Creeper. You got this. Come on.
Creeper!
Come on, bro.
Oh God, where's the way out?
No!
Oh, I found the way out. Yeah.
Right when I die, you're like, oh, okay, I found the way out.
Yeah.
Wait, stay there. Stay there. Because it's night, and if I kill... How much gunpowder do you have? Dude, that's just enough. I just need to get some sand. Hold on. Stay there. Stay in one spot.
That's impossible. It's so tiny. Diamonds!
Okay, that's where it is. I need to get TNT. Tell me you have flint.
No. We need flame on our bow, though. That works.
Here. Okay. I think I have enough. Alright. I need to get back, get flint and steel, and we'll be ready to get out of here.
Dude, I wish we could make the world longer.
Dude, in Pocket Edition, you can have an infinite world. It just goes on forever and ever and ever. Yeah.
Until you fall out of the
Come on, let me in the door. Let me in. Kev, what did we need?
Butterscotch candy. Flint and steel.
Flint and steel. I know I had flint.
I had gunpowder. So, what you gonna do?
I need to get
kill one more creeper.
What? Why? You have gunpowder.
Yeah, I can't teleport to you or I'll lose the spot.
No, I teleport to you.
Oh, yeah, I knew that.
Just gotta keep doing this till I get flint.
Dude, I think that's been more than 15 minutes.
Oh, let me see.
It's so fun.
It's actually been 12.
Whoa. On the spot.
I got flint. Okay. I'm teleporting to you. I'm teleporting. Yeah.
Hi guys.
That's our sister. Okay. Yeah. Hi. Boo, I have a crafting table. We gotta
Netflix.
What can we do?
We gotta do this quick. Because time's running out for the video. Do you want me to? Okay.
Get it quick!
Ow! Don't hit me, dude. Cover me. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes. You can't place it there. Wait, no. Let me place a block
I
right
can
next
place
to it.
there.
No, it's not going to do good. You have to do it under it, so we get all of them.
Move out of the way then.
Oh no. Do it.
Wait.
Wait, no! Cover it with water. Water. Okay, yeah, do it.
Ready?
Do it.
3.
Oh my God. Stand like right here.
No. 3, 2,
Oh
1.
God. No.
Fire in the hole!
Yes, it worked!
Yes! Mastermind!
I only got one diamond though, because you blew up the other one.
Well,
That's why we don't.
at least we got a diamond.
Yeah.
Alright guys, I think that's the end of the episode here. Thank you guys so much for watching.
One diamond.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you guys in the next video, which I think...
Bye!
Wait, what are we doing? Are we doing Better Book Theater next?
Oh, good.
But yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching. We enjoy playing this. We love playing it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you guys in the next video, and just giving you guys a heads up, smash that like button.